This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the Razer BlackShark V2 gaming headset. This headset is designed for sports, offering a triple threat of amazing audio, superior mic clarity, and supreme sound isolation. It features Razer's Tri-Force titanium 50mm drivers, which separate audio frequencies for clearer sound. Plus, with THX spatial audio, you get an immersive virtual surround sound experience, giving you a competitive edge in games. The detachable hyper-clear cardioid microphone ensures crystal-clear communication with your teammates. The Razer BlackShark V2 provides an immersive audio experience, crucial for competitive gaming. Its Tri-Force titanium 50mm drivers are engineered to deliver distinct highs, mids, and lows, ensuring every sound is crisp. With THX spatial audio, you gain precise positional awareness, helping you pinpoint enemy locations. The headset offers a balanced sound profile with an emphasized high bass for impactful in-game effects. You can also fine-tune your audio preferences using the 10-band graphic equalizer in the Razer Synapse software. Comfort is paramount for extended gaming, and the BlackShark V2 excels here. Weighing a mere 262 grams, it feels incredibly light on your head, minimizing fatigue. The memory foam ear cushions are wrapped in a breathable flow knit fabric, designed to keep your ears cool and comfortable, even during intense moments. These closed ear cups also create a perfect seal, offering excellent passive noise isolation to keep distractions at bay. Its aviation-inspired design is both stylish and functional, ensuring a comfortable fit. For clear communication, the Razer BlackShark V2 features a hyper-clear cardioid microphone. This detachable mic is designed to capture your voice with clarity while effectively suppressing background noise, making your calls and in-game chat crisp. Through the Razer Synapse software, you can further customize microphone settings and apply various EQ presets. With versatile connectivity options, including a 3.5mm jack and USB, this headset offers a compelling balance of audio performance, comfort, and features, making it a great value for gamers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.